This is the VS02. Look how fast that comes up. Amazing. It is a fashion smartwatch with lots of different basic controls here, including Bluetooth calling and music streaming that you can instantly get into directly right from there. You have a pull-out panel, your most recently used apps, weather information, and so forth. Messages sent from your phone when you swipe up, go off to the left. You get into activity, showing you your step count, calories burned, exercise. It's got step information over every hour and your last 7 days record totaled. You've got heart rate. Stop here. It'll jump into measuring it, gives you your max, your minimum, and a 24-hour chart. Beautiful. Shows you where you are currently in your workout area. You get into blood oxygen using green diode technology on this one. We'll show you your last 7 readings. And then you've got stress, which it's also monitoring every 24 hours or every hour over the 24-hour period. And you can see that chart too. Blood pressure, same thing. You're going to get systolic, diastolic in your last set of readings. Last night's sleep time. You get the range when you went to bed and woke up, your sleep data on this one. And then weather, complete, current temperature, conditions, and weather forecast. And of course you can change units on that too. Whole variety of different colorful watch faces. Some you can download from the server. And edge to edge, beautiful screen. Go once, go twice, and now you're into all of your apps. We've seen all of these so far. Whoops. You've got phone calling, exercises now, walking, running. You can set different goals for it if you'd like to. 100 some odd different exercises. And if you have any records from those, they'll be right there. Again, all these other things, a remote shutter, the music player, relaxation, Siri, your voice assistant is on there, stopwatches, world clocks on here, even a 2048 game comes with it. It's a complete, beautiful, simple smartwatch, and it goes by the name VS02. Check it out.